But you look great, sir. You look absolutely amazing. How do you stay in shape?
Every day exercise.
Everyday exercise?
Bolo Yeung is 78 years old, but you'd never guess it. This martial arts legend and action movie icon looks like he just stepped out of a 90s action flick, still rocking a chiseled chest, boulder shoulders, and veins that map out his strength. People still ask if he's really pushing 80, because honestly, the guy looks 30, trains like he's 20, and moves like he never aged a day. So, what's the secret behind his ageless physique? Let's break down Bolo Yeung's fitness philosophy, diet secrets, and workout routine to uncover how he stays in top form year after year. 1. Fitness. Philosophy. Fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, especially as we age. Bolo Yeung, at 78, is a living example of how consistency, discipline, and hard work can defy the years. His philosophy is simple: stay active, stay strong, and never give up. He believes that maintaining your fitness level isn't about obsessing over perfection, but rather being consistent in training, even as you age. Every day is an opportunity to challenge yourself and improve. 2. Diet secrets. Bolo's secret to a lean, muscular physique is rooted in his diet. He sticks to whole, nutrient-dense foods that fuel his body for his intense workout routine. Protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, and eggs are at the core of his diet. He avoids processed foods and sugars, opting instead for natural, wholesome meals. A key element of his success is avoiding inflammation-causing foods, opting for anti-inflammatory options like salmon rich in omega-3s to support his joints and muscles. 3. Daily meal breakdown. Bolo's daily meals are centered around sustaining energy and building muscle. Breakfast. A combination of scrambled eggs with vegetables and lean fish for protein. Lunch. Grilled chicken or salmon with a side of leafy greens and sweet potatoes for energy and muscle recovery. Dinner. Lean cuts of red meat with roasted vegetables and a light side of greens. Snacks. Nuts, protein shakes, or Greek yogurt are go-to options between meals. 4. Fitness rules. Bolo follows a strict code when it comes to fitness. First rule: never stop. Age is just a number. Stay active and consistent, and your body will reward you. His rule for success is about pushing your limits. Don't settle for mediocrity. He emphasizes the importance of staying mentally strong, especially as you age. If you commit to the process, results will come. The only rule: don't quit. 5. Workout routine. Overview. Bolo's workout routine is a perfect balance of strength training, cardio, and martial arts to stay agile and strong. His weekly routine typically includes: Monday, strength training. Focus on upper body, including dumbbell curls, bench presses, and lat pull-downs. Tuesday, martial arts, especially Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and cardio exercises for endurance. Wednesday, core and ab workout, including hanging leg raises and planks. Thursday, boxing day, an essential part of his routine to boost endurance and agility. Friday, lower body training, squats, deadlifts, and leg presses for building strength in the legs. Saturday and Sunday, rest or light recovery workouts like walking or stretching. 6. Rest and active recovery. While Bolo pushes his body hard during the week, he knows the importance of rest and active recovery. Rest days allow muscles to repair and grow, and active recovery activities like walking, stretching, or light yoga help increase blood flow and flexibility without overtaxing the body. 7. Recovery and rest. Recovery isn't just about resting muscles. It's about giving your body the proper fuel to regenerate. Bolo makes sure to get plenty of quality sleep to aid muscle recovery, and his diet helps with reducing inflammation. He also incorporates supplements like turmeric to fight inflammation from his intense workouts. Hydration is also key, as it helps flush out toxins and keep the muscles hydrated. 8. Exclusive community offer. If you're inspired by Bolo's fitness journey and want to take control of your own health, we have something special for you. Join our exclusive community and get access to personalized workout plans, nutrition guidance, and one-on-one support. Whether you're in your 30s or 70s, we provide tailored plans to help you achieve your fitness goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link to join our virtual gym membership and start your transformation today. You'll receive expert advice and continuous motivation from a community of like-minded individuals. Let's build strength and vitality together. There you have it. Bolo Yeung's secrets to staying in incredible shape well into his late 70s. It's all about dedication, discipline, and a relentless focus on fitness. If you're inspired by Bolo's journey and ready to take your health and fitness to the next level, make sure to subscribe for more tips and transformations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more content like this. Stay strong, stay motivated, and remember, Age is just a number. Keep pushing yourself every day.